Hey guys, welcome to Williams Motors here in Wingo, Kentucky. We have got a little jewel on the lot today. This is a 2005 Infiniti red. Now I'm gonna be honest with you, it's got a little flaking off here on the top, but I'm gonna tell you what, other than that, it drives out like a dream. Sweet little car. 4-door, got a little scuff here on the back. Got some little spots here on the back. $29.95, under $3,000. So we'll come on down here to Williams Motors. We'll get inside here and crank it up. A little Infiniti. We don't need the key for this one. Got 153,000 on it. Nice little car. Come on down here to Williams Motors, Wingo, Kentucky. Just ask for Kevin. Thank you. Have a great day.